Good evening, my dear friends. So, already I have made two videos and I solved two questions in those videos. The questions which came on 21st May 2022, that TNPSC Group 2 exam was conducted, preliminary examination. So, for that, four questions we have already solved. Please have a look on those videos. You will be having a clarity as in more detail basic steps I have covered, and I will be solving all these questions only by following basic steps, because basic steps has to be understood first. We need to understand basic steps first, and then only we can go for shortcuts. So once again I want to acknowledge and express my thanks to www.winmin.com, from where I have downloaded the question paper and I have taken a snapshot of those questions, and only related to mental ability test, that is aptitude and mental ability test, I have brought the questions here. So let us start solving the questions, and I feel that you all are in good mind now, having a fresh mind, and you all are interested to learn the basic steps of mathematics which are used for solving questions related to this aptitude and mental ability test. So basic steps and all everything I have already clarified in my videos, that is TNPSC part 1, part 2. So these questions also I have already solved, and for this question, so it is exactly, I can say that the ratio of their elongations, you can say delta 1 by delta L2 will become E2 by E1. Okay, whereas we are given E1 by E2 as 5 by 3, so E2 by E1 will become 3 by 5. So our answer will be this one, A. A will be our answer. So please have a look on all those steps, how delta L1 by delta L2 is equal to E2 by E1 came, stress, strain, modulus of elasticity, everything I have explained there. Let us go to next question. In this question also I have clarified each and everything, that how this pattern. So we have to look over this pattern, and similarly, as I said that this P is the second part and Y is the second from right hand side, you see. So the same pattern is being applied. First 2 is P is there, then at the rate of, so at the rate of came after leaving one J. So similarly this A will be left and 7 will come, so Y7 has come. Similarly L has come after leaving these two, 8 and dollar sign. Similarly here two things will be left and then 5 will come, so this has come. Same pattern will be applied here. So this dollar sign has come, so you can say 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, sixth position is dollar sign. So from this side also sixth position, 4 5 6. So sixth position is F. So F, from among these two any one will be there. Second we will see that 1 dollar sign, after that 1 has come. So after leaving 2 L and B, 1 came. So we will leave 5 and this pound sign, and we will get this dot. So this dot has come. So it means our answer is C. We want, we can check for has also, but there is no need. Why? Because we have already identified that from B and C anyone will be there, and the moment we got that pound sign is not there, dot sign will come, then automatically C will be the answer. Right. This one also we have already solved, and just we replaced and we made it as 3 minus means into, so into 15, and divided means plus 19, in bracket into means division, so 8, and plus means minus 6. We solved here, that is 45 plus 19 and 8 minus 6, we got 64 divided by 8 minus 6. So it is 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, and our answer came as 2. Here we have seen that how these prime numbers are being written: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Consecutive prime numbers are there: 13, 17, 19. So consecutive prime number is 23. So here answer will come as 23. Answer has come as 23. And also we can see that all are prime numbers. So this 21 is not the prime number, 25 is not the prime number, 27 is not the prime number. The only prime number is 23. This also we can guess and we can write. So it will be 23 only. Yes, from here onwards I will be going for explanation in more detail. Why? Because first 4 questions we have already solved in part 1 and part 2. So you can have a glance in detail that is solved there. But here also I have explained. But from here onwards, this is question number 5th, we will be going for in detail, solving in detail. So volume of water tank measured 10 meter into 5 meter into 1.5 meter. So this is cuboidal tank. Cuboidal tank. So we know that volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is L into B into H. It means 10 into 5 into 1.5, and that is meter cube. Right. So we are solving. So 50 into 1.5 will give you 50 plus 25, that is 75 meter cube. Fine. Now we see that the answer is in liter. So we must know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Now 1 meter cube is equal to, so 100 centimeter cube, and it will become 60 centimeter cube. So 75 meter cube will give you 75 into, or we can write directly 6 zeros we can add, 2, 4, 6 centimeter cube. We have converted to centimeter cube. Now this 1000, last 1000 centimeter cube will make it as liter. So we can also write it as 75,000 liter. So this 75,000 liter is the answer. Right? So simple conversions are there. Next one, an aluminum sphere of radius 12 centimeter is melted to make a cylinder of radius 8 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. So wherever this melting type of case is taking place from one shape to another, so there we need to utilize volume. So volume of sphere which was melted, and it is redesigned to a shape of cylinder. So volume of cylinder, both will be equal. Okay, so volume of that metal which is used for making a sphere, that same is melted and it is made as cylinder. So volume will be same. Okay, so now volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube, is equal to volume of cylinder. So what is volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. We need to find the height of the cylinder. So 4 by 3 into pi, let it be pi as it is, both side it will be getting cancelled, so no need to worry, into r cube. So r is given aluminum sphere of radius 12 centimeter, so 12 into 12 into 12, like this you write. Okay, and then pi, leave it as it is, and r, radius of cylinder, is 8 centimeter, so 8 into 8, and into h we do not know, we have to find out. That will be in centimeter, no doubt in that. So let us see. 3 4 ja 12. First let this pi and pi 2 also get cancelled, and after that sure 4 this side 2 ja 8, 4 this side 2 ja 8. Fine, this 2 will cancel it as 6, this 2 will cancel it as 3. So what we have got? H is equal to 12 into 3, so 36 centimeter. So our answer is C, that is 36 centimeter. Now, which among the following is the simple interest for the principal of 1000 for 1 year at the rate of 10% interest per annum? So it is very easy. We know that 10% of 1000 is equal to rupees 100. Okay, rupees 100. So rupees 100 will be the answer. So like this also we can do it, but what we can do, okay, it is for 1 year only. So we can find out immediately. And but the formula, let us know the formula, simple interest, that is principal into rate of interest into time divided by 100, because R is given in percentage. So we used to write by R percentage as R by 100. Okay, so from here, so principal is 1000 rupees 1000 into R is given to you as 10% and time is given as 1 year divided by 100. Two zeros we have cancelled and we have got rupees 100 as answer. Now, if the simple interest at the rate of X% per annum for X years is rupees X. So similar as we have seen, P into R into T by 100. So this was the formula. So simple interest is given that rupees X. Okay. At the rate of X% per annum, and what we need to find out? We need to find out principal amount. So P is not given to us, R is given, that is X%, time is given for X years, and divided by 100. So this X and this X will get cancelled, one X is left and this is 100 divided by, you can say, X. Sorry, we need to find out P. Principal we need to find out, so it will be X. So our principal is rupees 100 by X. So this is the answer. B is the answer. Now if 2x plus 3y is to 3x plus 5y is equal to 18 is to 29, simple ratio and proportion it is there. So we can write like this: 2x plus 3y divided by 3x plus 5y is equal to 18 by 29. Now we need to find out x is to y. So we need to solve this question. So let us solve it. So 29 into 2, because this cross multiplication we will be doing. Simple linear equations in two variables, like this type of question is there. So 29 into 2, that is 58x plus 29 into 3, 90, 87. Okay, so 87y is equal to 18 3 are 54x plus 18 5, 90y. Okay, now let us bring x and y one side. So 58x minus 54x, 54x is equal to 90y minus 87y, and this side it has become 4x, this side it has become 3y. Okay, so x by y is equal to 3 by 4. So x by y, so this y will come here, this 4 will go that side. So x by y is equal to 3 is to 4. So that is x is to y is equal to 3 is to 4, this one. Right. If 5 is to 6 is equal to x is to 12. Right? Now we need to find out x. So this is also very easy. We know that 5 is to 6 means 5 by 6 is equal to x by 12. We can write like this. Or you can, product of extremes is equal to product of means, that is called. Means 6x is equal to 12 into 5, that is 60. So 6 2 are 12 and x is equal to 10. Here also we can write, we can cancel this one. So x is equal to 5 into 2, 10. So this 10 is the answer. What is the greatest possible volume of a vessel that can be used to measure exactly the volume of milk in cans in full capacity of 80 liter, 100 liter and 120 liter. So we need to find a vessel, greatest possible volume of vessel, which will be able to measure in full capacity of this 80 liter, 100 liter and 120 liter. So it is nothing but, gentlemen, it is HCF of 80, 100 and 120. So if we are finding HCF, highest common factor of 80, 100 and 120, will give us the capacity. Now if we see the answer itself, we will be able to find out. From the answer also, sometimes we need to solve, it becomes easy to solve. Now you see that suppose 20 liter is, we are taking 20. Now 20 means 4 times, it will give as 80. So 20 into 4. Now 100, 20 into 5 means 5 times. Then 20 into 6. It is our option, one of the option. Now I know this is the answer, because later on when we go for 25, so for 25, 80 liters cannot be measured. 25 into 3, 75. Then it is 100. So 80 liter cannot be measured. Similarly, 25 into 400, yes, of course it can be measured. And similarly, 120 also cannot be measured. Why? Because 25 into 5, 125. So our answer will not be this one. Our answer will not be. Similarly, 30 liter, when we go for, so 30, again 80 liter cannot be measured with 30 liters of vessel. 100 liters cannot be measured with 30 liter of vessel. 120 can be measured, yes, 30 into 4 we can do. But this is not the HCF of all the three. Similarly, 40 liters when we are going, yes, 80 liter can be measured, 40 into 2. 100 cannot be measured because 40 into 2 is 80 only and 20 liters are left. Similarly, 40 into 3, yes, 120 can be measured. So this cannot be the common factor. So here our answer is only and only 20 liter. So A is the answer. So 80 can be written as 20 into 4 and 100 can be written as 20 into 5. 120 can be written as 20 into 6. So we see that the highest common factor is 20. So 20 is the answer. Right? Okay. So HCF also we can find out, and this is the way we have found out. There are another ways also it is there, but I don't want to confuse you now. Basics only I have told. From the answer itself we will be able to find out. Right? But from the answer also, yes, greatest one we have to find out. Right? Find the HCF. Here HCF came. Okay. So a cube minus 9ax square is given to you. A minus 3x whole square is given to us. Okay. So a cube minus 9a square, let us take a common. So it will become a square minus 3x square. Sorry, 3x whole square. Let me write it like this. 3x whole square. Why? Because I want to use a minus b into a plus b now. A minus 3x can be written as a minus 3x and again a minus 3x. Fine. Now a is a minus b, a square minus b square. So a minus b into a plus b. So same formula, a minus 3x and a plus 3x. Okay. And this side a minus 3x is there. Now what we are finding? We are finding HCF, highest common factor. So among these, common factor is a minus 3x only now. Only one is there, a minus 3x. So a minus 3x only will be the common factor. This is a minus 3x, this side also, this side also. So a minus 3x is the HCF. Now Kumar borrowed 52,000 from a money lender at a particular rate of simple interest. Okay. After 4 years, he paid 79,040 to settle his debt. Means 4 years. First of all, simple interest, principal amount, time 4 years, paid this much. So this is the amount to settle his debt. It means interest is what? Amount minus principal is the simple interest. And amount is what? 79,040. 040 minus 52,000. So this is giving us 04072. Okay, so 27040 is the amount, rupees 27040. Fine. So what rate of interest we need to find R? So simple interest, as I told you earlier, the formula is PRT by 100. We will be substituting. So here 27040 is equal to, principal amount is 52,000 into, R is not known, R we will keep it like this, T is 4 years and divided by 100. So these two zeros we will cancel immediately. That third zero also, this side also we will cancel it. Fine. And we'll see that how we can solve it further with this 4. Yes, it is divisible. So 4 6 are 24, then 30, 4 7 28, then 24, 4 6 24. Okay. Now we can go for cancelling it again. So with the help of 4 also we can cancel 4 3, okay, and then 4 1 4, then 27, 4 6 are 24, 36, 4 9 are 36, and with this 13 we can cancel 169 as 13. So 13 square is equal to 169. So R is equal to 13%. So this B is the answer. Fine. So how many terms of the series this should be taken to get the sum 1296? So here sum of cubic terms are there, consecutive cubic terms are there, natural numbers are there, and cubic terms. We know that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so and so up to n terms. So it is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So n we do not know. So here n. So n we will keep it like this, n plus 1 by 2, and we will make it as square. Fine. And total sum has become 1296. 1296 total sum. So now if we want to find, so it is what? N into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to square root of 1296. Let us find the square root of 1296. 1296 square root. Division method. I am applying division method. Okay. So these two are there. 3 3 are 9. Yes. And here it is 9 into 2. Here it is becoming 6. And 396. Then we will see that 66. Okay. Here 6. So 6 6 is 36 and 39. So 396. Okay. So our square root is 36. It means this is 36. Of course, this is plus minus 36. So because we can write it as plus minus 36, but minus there cannot be a negative term. How many terms are there? So number of terms cannot be negative. Number of terms always will be positive. So that's why it will be written as 36 only. So n into n plus 1 is equal to 36 into 2, and that is 72 is equal to 72. So now we can solve it from here also. We are coming to know that it is 8 into 9, 9 8 is 72. So like this also we can write, or it will give us a quadratic equation, n square plus n minus 72 is equal to 0. So n square factorization method we can use, 9n minus 8n minus 72 is equal to 0. So n plus 9 minus 8 n plus 9 is equal to 0, and it is giving us n minus 8 and n plus 9 is equal to 0, which has given us n is equal to 8 and n is equal to minus 9. Again, number of terms cannot be negative, so minus 9 is ruled out and 8 terms will be there. So this 8 will be the answer. So like this we have to do, and with practice it will become more faster. Because I have to cover now, many of the students are there who wants to get clarified the basic things. So that basics have to be clarified. So that's why I am going each and every step very slowly, and basic steps also I am touching here. Okay, so find the value of root 3, like this it is there. Okay, so let x is equal to root 3, like this. Okay, so it means we can write this one, x is equal to root 3x. We can write, yes. Now squaring both side, x square is equal to 3x, correct? Yes. Now this x will cancel this side x, so x equal to 3. So this 3 to the power 1 will be the answer. Right. This is from mean question, statistics. Okay, so the average mark of 25 students was found to be 78.4. How that mean is found? X mean is equal to sigma xi divided by number of data. Okay, frequency or number. So here this mean is already given to us as 78.4. 78.4 is equal to sigma xi we do not know, that is summation, and n is given already 25. It means sum of the marks, that is sigma xi, is equal to 25 into 78.4, and this is giving us as 25 into 400, so 0, and then 10 is left in our hand, 25 8 ja 200, 210, again 0, 21 is there, and 25 into 7 175, and 21, so 196. Now decimal we have to place it, so 1960 is the sum of the marks. Later on it was found that a score of 96 was misread as 69. So 96 was actual but written as 69. It means 69 is already added here, 1960. Okay, now we need to add the difference. Okay, 1. Sorry, 2. Right. So this 27 has to be added. So a score of 96 actually it was misread as 69. It means 27 is missing here, and that 27 we need to add. So correct sum is 1960 plus 27 is equal to 1987. Right? Okay. And then correct mean is equal to 1987 divided by 25. So now we have to do it. So 25, okay, fine, let us do it. So 25, 8 will not be there, so 7 will be there. Okay, 175 and 2, so 200 it will become, so 23, so 237, right? Now 237, it means 25 nines are fine. So it is giving us as 225, and then 12 is left, and if we are putting decimal, it is becoming 120. So 25 4 ja 100, then again 20 and 200 it will become, so 8. So 79.48 will be the correct mean. 79.48 will be the correct mean, and that is B. Fine. If 5 persons can do 5 jobs in 5 days, then how many days will be taken by 50 persons to finish 50 job? Okay. So it is given 5 person can do 5 jobs. Here it is 5 jobs in 5 days. In 5 days. So here now we have to establish a relation with days, because we need to find out how many days 50 persons to finish 50 jobs, how many days they will take. So when we are doing this, so you can see that with persons, let us relate with persons and days. So if more persons, less number of days, correct? If there will be more person, less number of days they will take to complete the job. So there is an indirect relation, we can say inverse relation. Okay, so it is 50 is to 5. Now more jobs, naturally more days will be taken. So now suppose this X is, we are taking, X is the number of days. X is the number of days will be taken by 50 persons to finish 50 jobs. So, right, more jobs, more days. So here again 50 is to X number of days will be taken. Right? Okay. Now we have to solve it. So 50 is to 5 in 50 is to X. So this proportion, this is called proportion. So now again product of extremes will be equal to product of means. So 50 into X is equal to 50 into 5. So this 50 will get cancelled. So X equal to 5. So 5 days will be taken to finish 50 jobs by 50 persons. A reader reads 20 pages of a book in 2 hours in an uniform speed. So if there is an uniform speed, it means, so suppose 2 hour, in 2 hour, how many pages? 20 pages. So 1 hour, 20 by 2. So this is the speed pages, that is 10 pages. Right? So how much time will it take to read 50 pages of the same book? So you can write as 20 pages, 2 hours, 50 pages, so 2 by 20 into 50. So this cancel, and 5 hours. So 5 hours will be the answer. The difference between the SI and CI for 2 years for a principal of 5,000 at the rate of interest 8% per annum is. Though there is a direct formula, but now I want to tell you with basic steps, even compound interest also how to find out, that I should tell you. So that is my main motto here. So let us find first simple interest. Fine. Principal is 5,000, right? And rate of interest is 8%. Time is 2 years by 100. So these two zeros have got cancelled. And what we have got? 8 to 16, 16, 5, 80. So 800 is your simple interest. Okay. So let us write here 800. Fine. Now compound interest. So compound interest will be what? Amount minus principal. So amount, how we are finding out? It is 5,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100, and for 2 years it is there, so square, minus again 5,000, right? Because for compound interest, sorry, not for compound interest, for amount, what is the formula? P into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. 8% per annum is there. Time is also 2 years. So n is number of years here. Fine. So it is 5,000, and let us cancel it with 4 to the 8, 25. So let us simplify it. Why? Because we want to simplify it. So 5,000 I am taking it as common, and here 25 plus 2, 27. So 27 into 27 divided by 25 into 25 minus 1. Yes, minus 1. Because 5,000 we have taken common. Okay. So here it is becoming 5,000, and 27 into 27, it is 729, minus 625 divided by 625, or we can write 25 into 25. It will be making us easy to cancel with this one. Okay. Why? Because why I told 25 2 ja 50, 200, then 25 8 ja 200. So 8 into, now 9 minus 5, 4, 2 to 0, and this has become 104. So it is giving us 832 rupees, 832. So your compound interest has become rupees 832. So the difference between CI minus SI. So 832 minus 800 rupees. So rupees 32. So rupees 32 is the answer. Here you can see the compound interest on 5,000 at 12% per annum for 2 years compounded annually is. So again we need to find compound interest only. Compound interest directly we have to find out. 5,000 is there, like earlier question is there, so I am doing directly here. And rate of interest 12%, that I can write it as 4 3 are 12, 4 25, so 3 by 25 I can write. Directly I want to write here. So 1 plus 3 by 25 square minus 1. Okay, so CI is equal to 5,000, and inside the bracket it will be 25 plus 3, 28. Okay, so 28 into 28 divided by 25 into 25 and minus 1. So minus 625. Yes, like this. Again with this we will cancel 200 and this 8, and we need to find out 28 into 28. Let us find out. So 28 into 28. So 8 8 64, 6. Now 8 to 16 plus 8 to 16 32, 32 plus 6 38, 3, 2 to 4 plus 3 7. So 784 minus 625 divided by nothing. Okay, so because we have already cancelled it, and here 8 is there, right? So 8 into, now 14 5 9 7 2 5 and 761. Okay, so 9 5 14, 5 2 7 1 8 and 6 1 7. So it is 9 8 72, 7 8 5 40, 7 4 and 12. 8 1 ja 8 plus 4 12. So rupees 1272. So this has become our answer, rupees 1272. At what rate of simple interest the principal 48,000 will amount to 55,560 in 2 years 3 months? So time is given 2 years and 3 months. So 2 years is okay, plus 3 months means 3 by 12 year, which is, so 2 plus 1 by 4. Okay, 2 plus 1 by 4. So it is 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 years time. Rate is not given to us, that we need to find out, rate percentage, and principal is given to us as 48,000. Amount is also given to us as 55,560 in 2 years 3 months. So now interest is what? So interest is 55,560 minus 48,000 is the interest. So 560, 7560. Okay, so simple interest formula, 7560 is equal to principal is 48,000 into R we do not know, into T is 9, and here 100 into 4, 9 by 4 years, so that is 9 by 4 I have written here. This 2 zeros we have cancelled, then this 4 1 2 0 I have cancelled, this 0 and this 0 also I have cancelled, and yes, with 9 this can be cancelled, 9 8 ja 72, 36, 9 4 ja 36, and this 12, 7 ja 84. So R is equal to 7%. R is equal to 7%. Fine. Find the ratio of 3 kilometer to 300 meter. So we have to take into consideration that here kilometer is there, here meter is there. Let us either we have to convert this kilometer to meter, or this meter can be converted to kilometer. So it's easy, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 3 kilometer is equal to 3000 meter. Okay, so 3000 divided by 300. So these two zeros will get cancelled, and 10. So it is becoming 10 is to 1. 10 is to 1. Many of the students, they have committed mistake here. They have committed mistake. So these simple things we must know. So 10 is to 1. Right. Now here, if the population in town has increased from 20,000 to 25,000 in a year, find the percentage increase in population. So just like compound interest, the formula also is applied here. Okay. So we need to find the percentage increase in population. Find the percentage increase in population. So how much increment has taken place? 25,000 in 1 year. So increase is equal to 25,000 minus 20,000 is giving you 5,000. Yes. So this 5,000 has to be converted into percentage. So increase in percentage. So 5,000 divided by original one, 20,000, we have to place it in 200, right? So 3 zeros cancelled, this 1 0 has to cancel, then 2 5. So it is becoming 25%. So 25% is the answer. So percentage increase in population has taken place, that is 25%. Right. If 3 candidates A, B and C in a school election got 153, 245 and 102 here, 102 is here. Fine. So total votes, we need to find percentage of vote. So first of all, we need to find total number of votes is equal to 153 plus 245 plus 102. Okay, so 257 3 10, 145 5 5 10, 1 2 4 5. So total number of vote is 500. Winner, who is the winner? So maximum vote is 245. We need to find it percentage. So 245 divided by 500 into 100. Two zeros got cancelled. 5 8 ja, sorry, 5 4 ja 20, then 45, 5 9 ja 45. So 49% is the answer. Okay, HCF and LCM of two numbers are 16 and 240 respectively. If one of the number is 48, then the other number is, we know that product of the numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. So product of number, then the other number, suppose it is X and one number is 48. So 48 into X is equal to HCF is 16 into 240. Right? Okay. Let us cancel it. So 8 2 ja 16, 8 6 ja 48, 6 40. So X is equal to 80. So our another number is 80. This is the last question, and then it will be over. Yes, of course. So Wilson, Matan, Guna can complete one round of a circular track in 10 minutes, 15 minutes and 20 minutes respectively. If they start together at 7 am from the starting point, at what time will they meet together again at the starting point? See, their time is already given, that how much time they used to take, 10 minutes, 15 minutes and 20 minutes. So when they will be meeting together, that point will come after finding LCM of 10, 15 and 20. So 10, 15 and 20, this is LCM of. When we find LCM of, so it is 5, 2, 3, 4. All are individual numbers 2, 3, 4. So further it will not be getting, oh sorry, with 2 also we can do it. Yes, 2, 1, 3 and 2. Right? So now it will be your LCM of 10, 15 and 20 will be 5 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2. So it is giving to us 10, 3 ja 30, 32 ja 60. So 60 minutes is the LCM. Okay, 60 minutes is the LCM. Means after 1 hour, they will meet at one point, at the starting point. They will be meeting together again at the starting point. So they started at 7 am. 7 am. After 1 hour, it will be 8 am. So 8 am, they will be meeting together. Okay, they will meet at 8 am. So I hope that the questions were very, very easy. Just I have solved those questions, you can say, with all questions are solved and all basics also I have applied. So you can see that everything is being touched in these questions. Here, like simplification also is touched, percentage is also touched, highest common factor also, lowest common multiple also. So we can see that from each and every part question came. Ratio and proportion also, simple interest, compound interest, volume is touched, time and work, okay, fine, it is not touched. Finding out area also it is not touched. Logical reasoning, puzzles, dice, visual reasoning, alphanumeric reasoning. Yes, alphanumeric reasoning was there. Number series was not there. We can say So it's not compulsory that from each and everything question will come, but yes, maximum the syllabus what they have given, each and every some questions are being touched from there and questions were given. So I hope that this 25 marks, though it seems to be lower, if it is easy to score, 25 marks is easy to score. Compulsorily everybody will get, those who have practiced. And then further 90 marks is required for qualifying. I am telling, for qualifying we can get a full 300 marks for qualifying. And from this 100 marks, general English or general Tamil, certainly people they will be getting more than 70 80. So the qualifying marks itself will come from these two, 125 qualifying marks, certainly it will be coming. Remaining extra from this 75 will get. Okay, so thank you very much. If you have liked my video, please give more likes and share with your friends, especially those people who wants to have good practice and but not in a position to move anywhere, so they can utilize it online. They can see my video, they can understand. If they do have any type of doubts and all, let them contact me, I will certainly reply. And I request your suggestions also for any improvement. Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll meet again in next video.